how often should you change your filters, right? That is directly correlated as to what filters you're currently using, what you can install in your system. There are different filtration systems, such as the 1-inch, right? The 99-cent filter that allows, you know, everything, all the big components to stay there, but everything else go through. There's the 1-inch filter that you can buy at Lowe's, right? There's a 4-inch filter, and then there's the high efficiency filtrations. How often should you change your filtration system or your filters? Depends on the filter that you're using. I can tell you this, with our VIP memberships, right? We change the filters for you. We come out and put a high efficiency MERV 13 filter. What that basically means is that it's 95% more efficient than any 1-inch filter you can have, and we come out and we change them for you. The filters that we install are 6 months replacement. Every spring or every fall, we come out and we change the filters to make sure that your system is working properly. A simple filter, a 99-cent filter, not replaced, is the #1 reason why our systems fail when we need them the most. Restriction of airflow is the most important thing. There are different types of filters, right? There's different, and I'll get technical. There's MERV 8 filtration system, there's MERV 13 filtration system, and there's MERV 16s, right? Those MERV 16s are entry-level HEPA, basically clean rooms, 99.99%, right, on particulates, entrapment, or filtration. The MERV 13s are as effective or efficient. They're about a 95% more efficient, right? And a MERV 8 captures about 50% of the smaller particles, right, that are actually within the airstream. So how often should you change your filters? Really depends on what size and types of filters you're using in your current system. A range would be between every month to some filters that we have in the company, or VIP members have the ability to get a filtration system that can be replaced every 6 months, and our level 3 filtration systems have the ability to be replaced every 3 years. So that's why it's so important to we understand what filters you're using, right, in your current home, in your home.